In this humble tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a PDF, which I have right here. Less pages. You can extract pages from it. As you can see currently, it's literally the entire book. It's over 150 pages, but if you actually just want to make this less pages, what you want to do is, let's just say I want to select like 7 through 13 or something, is you actually just want to right click on the PDF, and once you've right clicked, you click on open with and go over here. And you can either do it with Safari or Google Chrome. I'm just gonna use Google Chrome but you open it with Google Chrome, and all you wanna do is you click on the print icon right here in the top right, and you can actually select the printer you want to print it to. And then when you do pages, you wanna just use custom like so. And you can do 1 through 5, 8, 11, let's just say I wanna do 8, 9, 10, and then you can even do like 11 through 20, and as you can see, it will just select the pages like so, and you can simply print them. You can choose your copies if you want to, and you can choose the color, and yeah, you can just print your pages like that. But if you just want to save it to your actual computer, this amount of pages,